Welcome to the video tutorial of Yes No Barn. My name is Barbara Fernandez. I'm a speech-language pathologist and the creator of Yes No Barn. Yes No Barn was designed for children that are learning or needing practice with learning how to answer yes/no questions. It's a very useful app both for speech-language pathologists and parents who want to support their child's learning. Let's get started by tapping Start. And you can see I already have one player here. I can tap on him to select or to deselect. I can also enter a new player if you are a parent and you have multiple children, or if you are a speech-language pathologist and you want to have a variety of different students to track their data in, you can add as many students as you need. You're able to also do an activity with more than one child at the same time. For now, I'm just going to select Victor, and I want to show you the settings. On these settings, you can change which type of yes/no question you include on the activity. You have basic questions, book and answer questions, fact-based questions, variable answers, compare pictures, questions about the scene. You will see here that you also have options for displaying text, playing audio, audio feedback, audio instructions, and the language. You can have English, Portuguese, or Spanish. Let's get right to it.
Is this a grapefruit?
This is the basic yes/no. Is this a grapefruit? The child has to either tap on the duck for no or tap on the duck for yes.
Yes. Is the girl at the beach? Yes. Try again.
So if it is the incorrect answer, he prompts him to
No.
Try again.
Does this room have a window?
These are adaptable questions that you can have when you have an adult in the room. If the child does have a window and they want to mark yes, the adult then gets to verify if the child answered it correctly.
Yes. Is this a girl cleaning? No. Do you have a tongue? Yes.
If there are
5 cars?
If there are no adults in the room, what we can always do is once we select our student, we can turn off the variable answer questions and
Can these
play.
animals fly?
This way, the child will automatically get a feedback as they click yes or no. Can these animals fly? So this is a comparison type of question. The child has to look at both images and decide if that fact is correct or incorrect.
Yes. Is the moon a square? No. Is this an apple? No. Is she blonde?
Once we tap done, we can take a look at the progress report. Every time the child plays with Yes No Barn, they will get a report card with their accuracy. So every time they play the app, you can see the different types of questions and how they are doing. So the basic questions, Victor is answering with 100% accuracy, but for look and answer questions, it's just 60%. You can share this information with a speech pathologist, or if you're an SLP, you can share this with the parents via an email so that the parents can have some visual information or just some general information on how their child is progressing in therapy with their answering yes/no goal. You can find Yes No Barn at the App Store. You can either search directly by the app name Yes No Barn, or you can search by the designer name Smarty Ear.